Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the world of arithmetic sequences. What we're going to do first is show how to find the nth term. So let's have a look. So why is it an arithmetic sequence? Well, we've got this sequence of numbers and they're labeled like this. This would be the first term, this one the second, 3, like that. And if you look at them, it's arithmetic because we've got the same difference between each one. 5 to 8 is a difference of 3. 8 to 11, 3. All the way up. 3 equals common difference. Equals D. There is a formula to find the nth term, which is a to the n, a to the 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So that's our difference. So we'll put it in and just have a look at it. A1 is our first term. N minus 1, whatever number we're going to have. So we'll just leave it as n minus 1 to start with. Times by 3. We could just leave it at that. Let's expand it anyway. N plus 2. But if we can't remember this formula here, another way to do it is just take this difference, find it out, so it's 3, and then just put down 3n to start with. And then look at the first term, which is 5 in this case, and go back 3. Back 3, so minus 3 off of that, and we'll get to 2. And we put the 2 on, plus 2 like that. So that's another way of doing it. We'll check to see if it works. Let's put it in for the 6th term. So 3 times 6 plus 2 equals 20. 3 6 is 18 plus 2, 20. Yes, it works. That's all we need to know on finding the nth term. Now, to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence, we use this formula. So if we wanted to find the sum of these 6 terms, we just plug it in like this. So it would be s to the 6th term, 6 over 2. And if you look at it, it's going to be the average of the first and the last. So what we've got there is 5 plus 20. Right, 20 plus 5, 25. 6 over 2 is 3. 3 25s equal 75. And if we just check it here, we'll add them up. 5 and 8 is 13. 1 is 14. And 4 is 18. And 7 is 25. 2 and 1 is 3. And 1 is 4. And 1 is 5. And 2 is 7. So yes, it works. Now, what if you didn't have this formula, couldn't remember it? Is there another way? Well, let's just remove some of this a moment. Well, one way it can be done is to realize how the equation is built. So we put these numbers down again and reverse them. So put another copy underneath like this. And we'll find when we add them together, that's going to make 25. 17 and 18 is going to make 25, as they all are. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 of these 25s, the same as our number of terms. So we can just go 25 times 6. But of course we've doubled it. So we need to divide it by 2. So we're back to our 6 over 2 times by the two numbers added together, the first and the last. And that's another way of doing it. So we're going to end up with 3 times 25 equals 75. So that's a neat little trick. So to wrap it up, The nth term of an arithmetic sequence can be found using the formula and the sum of the first n terms can be found with this one. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you learned something new about arithmetic sequences. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, all the best with your studies. Bye.